Hello students, hope you people are enjoying your geometry portion, that is your parallel lines. We are discussing parallel lines, then after in some video we discuss more clear concept of other geometrical part. That is a later work, but still we are discussing picture based problems of parallel lines. So we are continuing our work from last video to this video, and probably this video is the last video for parallel lines. Okay, let's start. Here we have one question. It says that find the measures of the unknown angles in the given figure. We have to find out some part of the figure, some part of the angle given, some in angle, some in figure, some angles are given and some are marked with some variables. We have to find out those variables or unknown angles. Let's start. Okay, in this figure, it is given to you that x line xy parallel to this line segment BC, means these two are parallel to each other, and if these two are parallel to each other, which is given to you, then we can say that this AB is a transversal, because line segment AB meet line BC at B and XY at A, and also AC is a transversal because AC meet BC at C point and again XY at A point, means these two are transversal. So question says that find out X. So first we have to write down transversals. Transversals are AB and AC. Clear? AB and AC. So there are many ways to solve this one. Here, if this is transversal, so this and these two angles are corresponding. So we have to solve these two. Now we can say angle XAC plus angle ACB equals to 180 degree. Why? Because if AC is transversal, then this angle XAC, this complete angle XAC is equals to, and ACB is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because they are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. I am talking about this complete, but as we know that angle XAC equals to, but we can say that angle XAC equals to angle XAB plus angle BAC plus angle ACB, this one, equals to 180 degree. Let me clear once again. I am talking about this transversal AC. These two lines are parallel. This is transversal. So this complete angle, I am talking about this complete angle XAC, this and ACB, these two are co-interior angles, and as we know that sum of co-interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Then we try to find out the values, but again we know that this complete angle divided into two parts, XAB and BAC. So we have written over there. Then we can write down the values. XAB 50 degree plus 83 degree plus X equals to 180 degree when we solve this one, we have 133 degree plus x equals to 180 degree. Now we move to this side. From here we move to this side. We can write down therefore x equals to 180 degree minus 133 degree. It is 10 minus 3 7, 7 minus 3, it's a 47 degree. So value of x is 47 degree. So likewise you have to solve the questions. Okay, I am rubbing this side and move to the next questions. This question is most interesting question. Now see the figure given over here. It's in this case AB parallel to CD, means ray AB parallel to ray CD, and there are some angles and angles are given to you. It's a 59. This one, this complete means angle AOC, outer angle. This one is 265 degree and OCD is your P. So question says that find the value of this P. So here we have to do some construction work. We first draw a line parallel to AB and CD passing through point O. This is your construction. So let's start do the construction. Use dotted lines. Clear? If so, here we can give the name O. P is already here, so give it as Q. Line OQ constructed which passing through which is parallel to which is or you can write down such that constructed such that OQ parallel to AB and OQ parallel to CD. This line you have constructed. Now from construction we know, so we can easily say write that if this one is 59, so what about this angle? I am talking in between AB and OQ I am talking. So here we can write down angle BAO plus AOQ. Angle AOQ equals to 180 degree. Why? We know that they are co-interior angles. These two are co-interior angles and we know that they are supplement to each other, and we know the value of BA, it's a 59 degree, plus we don't have any value of AOQ. We have a value of AOC, but we don't have value of AOQ. So we can write down easily angle AOQ. Directly we can write down 10 minus 9 1, 7 minus 5 2, it's a 121 degree. Clear? It's a 121, means value of this angle, this part is 121 degree. Hope this one is clear. So we can write down therefore angle QOC equals to 265 degree minus 121 degree, that is equals to 5 minus 1 4, 6 minus 2 4, 2 minus 1 1, 144 degree. So value of this part is your 144 degree. So we can easily find out the value of P right now. Again, we know the value of angle QOC plus angle OCD equals to 180 degree. Why? Because they are co-interior angle. There is co-interior angles. Now place the values. QOC value is 144 degree. OCD value is small p. Therefore small p equals to it's a 180 minus 144. 180 minus 144, it's 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 4 3, 36 degree. Hope you clear the concept. You have your clear concept. In previous figure this line is not given, so we have to constructed this line so that this line is parallel to this one and this line is also parallel to this one, means this parallel line lie in between these two parallel lines. Clear? So from this we use the angle co-interior angles for in between these two parallel lines. We have this part, and when we subtract this part with this complete angle 265, we have this part. So from this we can find out this co-interior angle between these two parallel lines. Hope this one is clear to you. So let's move some more questions. Okay, see your figure this side. I am a little bit focus it. Now this is your figure. In this figure it is given that this angle made by these two lines is x degree, and this angle is 70, and this is your intersecting line. This one is intersecting line of this one. This is intersecting line for line L, and angle made by these two is 100 degree. We have to find out the value of x, and it is given to us that line L parallel to line M. So how we solve this one? Be careful, for solution I am using this blue pen. So first we produce this line to backward likewise. Clear? So we have to give some name. Suppose this is your line A, B, and it's a C, D. We are giving some names so that it is easier for us. It's a P, Q, this one, R, Q, and S. This point is your S. Now how you, if this value, if here we can use O, angle ROB equals to x degree, it is given, but this one is also equals to angle OSD. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Why this is corresponding angles? Because we produce intersecting line RQ backward so that it cut the second line M at point S. So RS is a transversal for both L and M. Clear? You must write down somewhere here that RS is a transversal. Now this is your one part, means we have this is x, so we can write down angle Q as Here I forgot to write down the name C, D. Here we can write down E. Name are not in order. That doesn't matter. Your concept must be clear. You can give name order wise. QSE is equals to 180 degree minus X. Why? Because they are linear pair. So this value is 180 degree minus X. Clear? Now again we have, my figure is a little bit small. Hope you can manage it. Again we can write down QES equals to 70 degree. Why? Because it is also equals to angle CEP. They are vertically opposite angles. So this is your 70 degree. Now what about this one? Angle EQS equals to 180 degree minus angle EQO. Q by its linear pair. So it is 180 degree minus 100 degree. It's 80 degree. Now we have all the three angle of this triangle now. So here we can write down from, let me come this side, from the figure in triangle QES, as we know that sum of all the interior angles of triangle equals to 180 degree. So let's start. Angle EQS plus angle QSE plus angle SEQ equals to 180 degree. Place the values. EQS 80 degree plus QSE 180 minus X degree plus SEQ, it's a 70 degree, equals to 180 degree. So when we discuss this thing, 180, 70, 80, all we can add. So see, plus 180 this side and plus 180 this side, these are cancels each other. So what we have 80 plus 70, it's a 150 degree minus X equals to 0. I left that previous solution is 150 minus X equals to 0. That is the last part. Now tell me what is the value of that X. This is your today's task. Okay, now continue our solution part. Okay, in this figure, I am pointing with my scale. In this figure, this part is given to you. That is your 7x plus 14 is given, and this is given. And also given that line AB parallel to CD. Line AB parallel to CD, and as figure given, this line is transversal. So then we have to find out the value of X. Let's start. I change the color so that you can not bore. As we know that this and this, these two angles are equal to each other, so we can write down angle AQR equals to angle QRD. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles, that we know. So therefore we can write down angle QRD equals to 7x plus 14 degree. And we also know that angle SRD, this angle SRD equals to 4x plus 89 degree. I forgot to use bracket over here. Clear? Now, from these two figures, we can easily say that angle QRD plus angle SRD equals to 180 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair. So place the value, find the answer. QRD 7x plus 14. I am not using bracket over here, only write down 14 degree. Then SRD is your 4x plus 89 degree equals to 180 degree. 7 plus 4, 11x plus 9 4 3, 1 carry 8 1 9 1 10, 103 degree equals to 180 degree. It's 10 minus 3, 7, 7 0 0, 77 degree. So therefore value of x you can easily find out, that is your 7 degree. So I am solving here. Therefore x equals to 77 degree by 11, it's a 7 degree. So hope you can easily understand this one. Then we do 3 more questions. Okay, see in this case, here you have your figure. It says that as figure describes, these two lines are parallel because there is same arrow sign over here. So these two lines are parallel to each other, and these two parallel line AB and DE intercepted by, or they are two transversal, DB, BD and AE. These are two transversals. Question asks that find the value of A and B. All things are given, you have to simply find out. So from this we can say that you can also write down over in solution. This time I'm using black ink for the solution. AB parallel to DE. It is given to you. So and AE, BD are transversal. AE and BD are transversal. Clear? All things what you have given, you must write down in your solution to make your solution effective. Effective in the sense, effective on teachers, so that teacher can easily check one by one and find out easily whether your solution is right or wrong. EA and BD are transversal. So see here, these two lines parallel, this is transversal, so these two angles are equal to each other, means angle EDC equals to angle CBA. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. So what is the value of EDC? It's A. And what is the value of CBA? It's a 35 degree. So you have the one solution. Again, in this case, if this one is transversal, then we can write down DEC equals to CAB. As we know that value of DEC is given small b, and this is your 42 degree. So you have the solution of this one. Likewise, you can find out mini solution, and I am going to solve the last question of your book. In this question, it says that arms of the angles are parallel to each other. What is given to you, I am using blue ink to write down. It says that arms of angles are parallel to each other. Clear? Then question say, and value of one ABC is given 70 degree. You have to find out the angle DGC and DEF. Question says that find angle DGC and angle DEF. This is your question. How we solve this one? So let's start. As we know that AB parallels to ED is given, but once we have to write down AB parallels to DE. Clear? And also BC parallel to EF. Since in this case AB parallel to DE, so line BG is a transversal. I am writing for this one. BG is transversal, so we can write down easily that angle DGC equals to angle here not BG, you can write down BC. The complete BC is transversal for these two parallel lines. If you don't know, you can use other arrows. We have to make the same arrows, na? So this is same type of arrow, makes these two lines are parallel. These are two same types of arrow, says that these two lines are parallel. This is your transversal, BC is transversal. So therefore DGC, angle DGC, this one and this one are corresponding angles, angle ABC are corresponding to each other. So we can write down 70 degree, you must give the reason. Corresponding angles. So angle DGC equals to 70 degree. Now question asked you about DEF. DEF. As we know, here DE is transversal. We can write down BC parallels to EF and DE transversal. Need not to write this one. Clear? AB parallel to DE and BC is transversal for this one. BC parallel to EF and D is transversal. For this, we are going to write down angle DGC equals to angle DEF. Why they are equal? Because they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. So we know the value of DGC, it's 70 degree. So we can write down therefore angle DEF equals to 70 degree. So I think this one is clear to you. Now all of you solve the questions given in your book properly, and if you have any confusion you must ask me. That's all for today. Thank you, and must remember today's task.